Hi friends, welcome to Korshika. In the last tutorial, I have introduced Django Oscar accounts package to you and its features. Now in this tutorial, we will see how to integrate the package with the e-commerce framework Django Oscar. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Koshika, because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. So friends, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's start the tutorial. So friends, this is the Django project I have created, and I already did installation and setting all settings of Django Oscar. I am using latest version of Django Oscar, that is 2.1. If you want, you can follow this building your own shop topic of read the docs of Django Oscar 2.1 for installation and setting up the environment, or for that you can watch my recent tutorial from above I button. Here I have opened this PyPy documentation for Django Oscar accounts package of version 2.1. So we will be following this documentation for installing and integrating Django Oscar accounts with Django Oscar. So first we need to install Django Oscar accounts using this pip command. I will copy this, and here I will open the terminal, then I will paste here. It will take some time to install this package. Okay, it installed Django Oscar accounts 2.1 successfully. Next, we need to add Oscar accounts apps accounts config and Oscar accounts dashboard apps accounts dashboard config to our install app section. So let's copy this. Here I will paste that, and it should be in double code. So double or single code. Next we need to add this. Again single code, in that I will copy that. Okay. Next we need to run manage.py migrate Oscar accounts, and that will create appropriate database tables for Oscar accounts. So let's copy this. Open terminal. Here I will paste that command. Before that I will type Python. I will run the command. This will take some time to create the database tables. Okay, it created the database table successfully. So next, to create initial some core accounts and account types, we need to run the command manage.py Oscar accounts init. So let's copy this. And here I will paste the command. Before that I will type here Python. Now let's run the command. Now it created some initial core accounts and some account types. Next, in order to make the accounts accessible via the Oscar dashboard, we need to append it to our Oscar dashboard navigation. So this is the statement where we are importing all applications and its functionalities from Oscar.defaults module. So we already have this import statement in our settings file. Here we have that statement because I added this statement during Oscar setup. So after that, copy this code and I will paste after this statement. After we need to add the URL pattern to our urls.py file. So we should have this from django.apps import app statement. So I will open here urls.py file. Okay, we already have this statement. Next we need to add this Oscar accounts URL. Let's copy this. So I will paste here. Next I will import the URL from django.conf.urls import URL. Next I will type here Oscar-accounts URL. So after this we should also set up a cron job, and for that we need to run this command close expired accounts, and that will close any expired accounts, and that will transfer their funds to the expired accounts. So let's copy this command. Next I will paste here. Before this command I will type Python. I will run this command. Okay, that command executed successfully. So here we have added all the settings for Django Oscar accounts successfully. Now I need to create a super user to log into the dashboard. So I will run the command python manage.py create super user. I will give here username Tom, email address tom@gmail.com, and the password. Now let's run the server. Python manage.py run server. So here I have logged into Oscar dashboard. So this is the accounts tab which is added by our Django Oscar accounts package, and I will click this. So these are the accounts transfer, deferred income report, profit or loss report. These are the all functionalities provided by the package, and I have given some little info about these functionalities in our last introduction tutorial. So I will open here only accounts to show you. So these are the by default accounts provided by our package, that is redemptions, lapsed accounts, bank account, and unpaid source account. Okay, and here from the create new account we can create the gift cards for our shop. So friends, in this tutorial we learned how to integrate Django Oscar accounts package with Django Oscar. So in the next tutorial we will see all these functionalities in depth. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel Korshikha to get the new video updates first to you. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with the new topic. Bye bye.